What's going on, guys? So I got a new package today, ktuned. Let's do this unboxing. First of all, I want to start off with what's up with this, man? Come on. I'm adding more ktuned boxes to my collection. I have another one over there, as you can see it. My second ktuned product. Oh, look, I have a couple stickers right here. Race Wars. My table, just collecting some stickers, just putting them all around. Pretty cool. But let's get to this unboxing. Damn, dude, this box is pretty beat up. Where's this? Where should I open it from? Put the camera down. Oh, well, there. That's what it is. That's what I got. A shifter. I don't know how to open this. Oh, right here. Let me go get a knife. But yeah, I got home, got some food. I'm gonna watch some Netflix right now. Actually, it's not Netflix, it's Hulu. I'm gonna watch some Hulu, but I want to do this unboxing. I'm not sure if I'm gonna install it right now after I start eating, or maybe after. But let's see. So, ktuned sticker. Does it fit here? It's too long. How about here? Too long too. Damn it. Probably put it in the car. So this is it right here. Black Friday special. This is one of the two things that I got for Black Friday. The second thing is gonna be here in a couple weeks. So let's take this out. Put it right here. This is the short shifter. This is version 1, I think it's called, or it's like the lowest one. But I really like this one. Man, my camera never focuses. I should record on my phone some more. I think this is to adjust the throw, to make it longer or shorter. I'm gonna put it at the shortest one. Have a short throw. What else does it come with? The hardware. This is a spacer, I think. Some tools. I'm guessing it's for the tools for like that right there. What else? These two probably. Who knows? Seems to be it. But I'll probably make a separate video of installing it. It's a little unboxing of the ktuned B or D series shifter. This is it right here. Came straight from Canada. I bought it from the ktuned website. Took about a week to get here. So yeah, this is it right here. It's very nice. Alright, well, this is it for this video. Later.